Hi guys, so I'm going to hang out with my best friend today, and so I want to do my makeup real quick. I haven't seen her in a few weeks. It's understandable. She's a single mom and she actually works. She's got a boyfriend, so you know, a lot of things factor into that stuff, but we're the type of people that, you know, we could not see each other for weeks, months, whatever, and the second we see each other it's like, you know, we saw each other yesterday or something. So I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place palette in this pink. I'm going to start on the outer corner and kind of bring it in. Yeah, it's always like we've never really been apart. It's really funny too, because we were not friends for the longest time. We actually had a mutual friend, and we both hung out with that friend, and so we were always together, but like we were never super close until like senior year of high school, and then we ended up renting apartments right next to each other our senior year, and like we just realized we had the same exact personality. We leaned on each other for literally everything, like just somebody to talk to, somebody to hang out with, somebody to be there for each other when we needed them. Just our best friend, you know? So we've always kind of stayed that close. The other friend kind of pops in whenever she feels like, but you know, doesn't always really feel like she cares enough to try all the time. And we love her, but you know, we wish, as long as we've been friends with her, that she cared a little bit more. We're all growing up, having kids, getting married, so you know, we can't stay kids forever. We've got to grow up, we've got to move on, get over things. We're not little kids who can hang out every day. We have jobs and lives, and it's okay. Going into the purple, by the way, in the Juvia's Place, if I hadn't said that. Just kind of getting that dark and beautiful. But yeah, we're hanging out for the first time in a couple of weeks, and we'll probably, you know, just fuck around all day and do absolutely nothing, but that's okay. Like, my husband hates doing that anyway, so we can just kind of waste time doing absolutely nothing, and it won't bother him because we won't be here. I'm the type of person that on one hand, I love to be home. I love to be, you know, comfy in my pajamas and not worry about things. And then other times I'm like, ooh, I've been in the house for like a while now. I'd like to get out and kind of just, I don't care, walk around the mall, whatever. And my husband doesn't mind it for a little bit, but then he's ready to be home and comfortable, and I could literally just walk around doing absolutely nothing and wasting time forever. And he doesn't have the patience for that. And my best friend's the same way. She can waste time doing absolutely nothing, so we just kind of walk and talk. Sometimes we've even just driven through neighborhoods and looked at houses and been like, dang, I wish I could afford that house. Window shopping for houses, basically. Ooh, the things I'd do to that house. We like being bored together. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's Place palette And I'm gonna go into this blue right there. I'm gonna smooth out this just a tad. And then I'm going to take this and kind of buffer it on both sides. Yeah. Yeah, we used to, like, literally, even before we had kids, just hang out with a bottle of wine, watch TV, pass out in bed together, just hang out and do absolutely nothing, and it was fun. Like, who cares what everybody else is doing? We're sitting in our pajamas, eating Cheetos, enjoying our life. I'm definitely glad I have kids now, but if I were to go back to any moment, it'd probably be one of those, just kind of hanging out with my best friend doing absolutely nothing. I'm just taking that purple and intensifying it in the outer corners, just a tad. I have no idea what I'm doing, so don't ask. I couldn't tell you. Okay. I'll make sure I don't have any fallout. I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe. I can't wait. Like, I'm excited to go see her. It's been a minute. I really wish I could put on lashes, because some of the looks I do would look really freaking pretty if I could. I'm breezing through this. Okay. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Every time, bro. Every time I open this package. Yes. Yes, honey. That is with no spray. Thank you for doing that for us. Your bright pink lip? I think I want to. I am all sorts of out of order today. Trying to decide whether think this one, but I might change my mind. Okay, hold on. What else do I need to do? It's just the dirty brush from before. There's no extra product on it. Just whatever I pulled off to put on the top lash, or top line. Okay, I like that. Oh gosh. Why? Yes. Alright guys. I'm sorry I didn't talk through the second half of the video. I just kind of got into what I was doing for a second there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.